Do you want to learn how to use
Yes.
Streamlabs on Twitch?
Sure.
Hey, Donkey Kong. Do you want to learn how to use Streamlabs on Twitch?
I don't think that's Donkey Kong.
Shit. What's up, gamers? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to help you guys learn how to use Streamlabs Os and try to get you guys set up on Twitch and all ready to go for your streaming career. And let's dive right in. Alright, let's get some content on that black screen you're staring at. First off, you want to go to the Themes tab. And once you get to the Themes tab of Slobs, just scroll through anything you want that looks good to you for your stream. This is pretty much what you're going to use to get viewers attracted to your stream and stuff like that. So once you select the one you want, so let's just say I want to install, let's just install Cybernetic. Click install overlay right here on the right side. So once that installs, let's wait for it to install really quick. Alright, it's installing. And there you go, it pops up on your editor right here. Also notice that some else have been showing up in the vast black space that we have been trying to fill up have been a success. We're halfway there, so just try to stay with me here. Also, if you want to add widgets to your stream, which is basically widgets are basically stuff that your streamers interact with and stuff. So say they subscribe to your Twitch channel, they'll pop up and they'll be added to your goal. Your follower goal is how many followers you want to reach by the end of the week or something. Your bit goal is how many bits you want. Your sponsor banner, like if you have a sponsor, you can put the banner somewhere on the screen so the viewers can see. You can put the chat box on the stream instead of having the viewers look at the stream to the right side. They can just look in the on the screen while the game's playing. And the event list is stuff you could that's going on. You can just tell your viewers about your events on the screen. Spin wheel is pretty much just a fun thing for your viewers to interact with in the chat by typing a command, and they could just interact with the spin wheel and earn cool stuff. And the viewer count is how many viewers you have, obviously, in the alert box, which is, it says it censored right here because the alert box. Say whenever you get a donation or follower, the alert box will pop up right here, and it'll get an alert and it'll show up on the screen so everyone that's watching the stream can see it and it'll show up. And for other sources, you have media source, which is like pictures or videos you want to put on the stream. Game capture is the game you want to capture that you're playing, obviously. Display capture is your like what I'm doing right now, how I'm recording is like my display, what I'm seeing right now, like my window screen. Image, put a picture in browser source. You could put they could link videos and stuff like that. Audio input, you can add a separate audio output, stuff like that. Text, you can add like a text box on the screen. It's pretty cool. Streamlabs is pretty simple. I love using it. I use it the most. It's better than OBS. OBS is mostly used for recording rather than streaming, but Streamlabs is meant for streaming, and it looks clean and it looks pretty good. So Streamlabs is the way to go. Now that we have an overlay and a webcam set up, it's time to add a game to the mix. First thing you want to do is launch your game and change a few settings in the in-game settings to make your life a bit easier during the stream. What you mainly want to do is change it to windowed full screen or windowed mode, because this will allow you to seamlessly switch between your game and slobs, so you can make any adjustments or little changes to your scenes while streaming. So jump back into slobs and add a new source, just like you did with the webcam, but this time select sources. Game capture. So yes, select game capture, hit add new source. It'll be a familiar looking drop down from video capture, so add source. Click name whatever, you can name whatever you want, but I'm just gonna leave it. Add new source. Under mode, select specific window. Right here, specific window. And select your game title from the list. but since I don't have a game open, nothing's popping up. But for now, you can leave the rest of the settings at default, but we'll cover those in a future when we touch on more advanced streaming techniques. So all you want to do is click done, and you magically have a giant oversized corner of your game showing. Just resize it like we did with a webcam, because when you add a video source, you can like resize it and like make it how big you want. So it'll pop up in the corner really small, but you can just drag it and then make it bigger for the stream to fit. Now, if you guys want to add a widget, I'm going to show you guys how to add a widget. So go to sources. So say you want to add a alert box. So the alert box is pretty much this. You can change the picture of it if you want. So alert box. So add source. You name whatever you want, but you can just leave it. No one really changes the name. Add new source. So yeah, this is where you edit the widget. Like you want a picture. Add a picture or something. Something like that. If you want to test it, you just do this test widget. So you gotta follow. Testing. There, you donated. That's just test. So you gotta follow. There you go. Donate bits. You got a bit donation. There's the bits, and if you're getting hosted, boom. So all you want to do is hit done, and there it is. You can position it anywhere you want on the stream. So say you want it to pop up in the middle. You click. If you want to test it and see what it looks like on the stream, you do the same thing but down here, bottom right corner. Test widgets. Follow. You can see where you all your widgets pop up. So boom, boom, stuff like that. And that's how you do widgets. All right, we're almost there. Now they have everything set up for the stream. It's time to change a few settings. So go to settings of slobs, top right corner, under output. Navigate to the streaming section, which is right here, and select your encoder from the list first. If you're using an NVIDIA card, you should try the NVNC first to take the load off your computer's CPU. If that's not an option for you, try H.264 if your CPU can handle it, which is right here. I don't have an NVIDIA, I'm using AMD, so I don't really have that problem. But if you're using NVIDIA, make sure, I'll say it again, use NVENC to take the load off your CPU for that. So yeah, just click AMD. Next, you want to select your rate control, bitrate. Bitrate is pretty much your audio, stuff like that. You want to step up the bitrate a bit from the default 2500, which is right here, to 3000, or if your internet upload can handle it, 5000. This will ensure that your viewers get to see every frame you want to send with them with no lag. So yeah, if you want to up the bitrate, you just click up here. You just change it. So we're done with the input tab, and let's go ahead and check to make sure the audio is set up correctly. So click audio. So this is all your audio you have. So if you have any microphones plugged in or extra audio devices, they'll pop up here. But I don't have any advanced audio, so I'm just using my headset, my Corsair headset. That's all I use to stream. I don't really have a professional microphone yet, but I'm gonna soon. And yeah, we're done with the stream setup. It's finally time that I click that awesome big green button in the right corner that says go live. These are just the basics on how to set up slobs to get you up and running. Keep an eye out for the next time I teach you guys how to get more. We're gonna get more in depth in Streamlabs. Teach you more advanced stuff like the editor, like more in-depth stuff about the editor, learning about new sources and adding a group stuff. So yeah, that has been the basic tutorial for Streamlabs OBS version 0.11.7. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And yeah, good luck with your guys' streaming careers, and I hope you'll have a great day. Bye, fellow gamers, and make sure you go live. See ya.
Oh,
Do you know the way?
don't sit.
Spider-Man, do you know
I think
the way?
my game's back to